Hello, my name is Arianna Caporali, and today I present a database called the Demography of Covid-19 Deaths, developed by a team of researchers mostly based at the French Institute for Demographic Studies, INED. The project is registered in the World Pandemic Research Network database, and you can see the ID on the slide. The Demography of Covid-19 Deaths database is open access. It provides cumulative Covid-19 death counts disaggregated by sex, age group, and, where available, place and date of occurrence. Compared to other databases on the same topic, our aim is to offer well-documented data for researchers as well as non-specialists to correctly interpret the data and carry out meaningful cross-country comparisons. As of today, the database covers 21 countries in Europe, Asia, and North America. There are country-specific web pages with Excel spreadsheets including the data, explanatory notes, and all the documentation published by the original data sources. There are also 4 pooled data files that include the figures and metadata for all the available countries. One data file contains deaths by sex and age, another one by place of death. 2 additional data files include respectively the death counts by publication date and by date of occurrence. For all the public, we describe the key data-related issues in 7 points. The metadata are very detailed. For each source, we describe the place of deaths covered, the data collection system, that can be surveillance systems, recording of hospital activities, or vital statistics systems. We also describe the ways in which COVID-19 is identified, all the available information on the deaths, and the periodicity and countdown stop time of the statistics. We invite you to explore the available data and metadata through our online application, on which here you have a screenshot. There is heterogeneity in the data characteristics as shown by the example on the slide, regarding in particular how COVID-19 is identified. It can be suspected, probable, or confirmed by a lab test, or as the underlying cause of death. Heterogeneity can also be observed as to the reference date of the death, which can be the date of report or the actual date of occurrence, the range of the age groups, and the type of data collection systems. Variations are found not only across countries, but also over time or across different data sources within a single country. Given this large heterogeneity, caution is recommended when engaging in comparisons across different data sources. Data are updated once per week by 3 experts in the team, who check the accuracy of the data and of the metadata prepared by the project's country specialists. In-country experts may also be contacted when a question arises in interpreting the data or the documentation. The database data and documentation have been analyzed under the leadership of Jenny Garcia in the journal Population in 2021. The complete reference of the paper is on the slide. The takeaway message is that comparisons should only be made between data sources that use comparable COVID-19 attribution and confirmation methods. To conclude, the strength of our database is to provide high-quality data and abundant data documentation for both researchers and non-specialists. The main weakness is that the rigorous process of data collection limits the number of countries available. In the future, we will continue to update the data until the end of the pandemic. We also would like to include data compiled from files with cause of death information for all the countries in the database. These data are more precise, but for some countries are not yet available for all the deaths. Thank you very much for your attention and do not hesitate to contact us.